Do you want to know how to design a library on a budget that looks like it costs thousands of dollars? We are Michelle and Stephanie, a mother and daughter duo, and in this video, we're going to show you some great ideas for designing your home office library on a budget. You don't have to spend a lot of money to get a high-end look. All you need are some clever tricks and tips. So stay tuned and we'll show you everything you need to know. To start this tour, we want to give a special thanks to our sponsors for helping us make this home office library a reality. All views and opinions expressed in this video are our own. To choose the right layout for your home office library, it's important to consider both function and aesthetics. This might mean choosing a layout that is conducive to working, such as having ample desk space or plenty of storage for books and other supplies. At the same time, you'll want to consider how you want your home office library to look. This involves selecting certain types of furnishings or artwork that help create the right mood and ambiance for your space. In week 1, we shared our design plan, which included the desk placement as well as designing our built-in bookshelves and window seat. In addition, we selected our fabrics, finishes, and wall paint. Then we were able to create our mood board for the home office library. As you can see, our rendering really has the same feel of what we actually achieved in our cozy home office library. When choosing storage solutions for your home office, it's important to think about the size and layout of your space as well as what types of items you'll be storing. With these considerations in mind, you can create the perfect home office library that is well organized and functional. While purchasing bookshelves is always an option, we wanted to make custom built-ins for our home office. We love built-ins. Not only do they make a room feel larger, but they can also add that architectural detail to the room. It's also important that we included closed storage with our built-in bookshelves. And creating a window seat not only adds extra seating, but the drawers also provide that extra storage. We also placed electrical outlets in each cabinet. This will allow us to add a printer or other office machines that we need down the road, but we can also keep them out of sight. If you plan on spending a lot of time in this space working or studying, you may want to choose something larger that can accommodate all of your supplies. And you'll also want to choose something that complements the aesthetic you're going for. In our home office, we had our heart set on this Pottery Barn Dolores cane desk, but it was too pricey. So that's just the opportunity we needed to create our own Pottery Barn dupe. And you can see that full tutorial by tapping that link above. And best of all, we'll show you how you can create this look for only about $100. One of the key elements to achieve this cozy look and aesthetic we were going for is to choose a dark and moody paint color for the walls. This can create that cozy vibe that's perfect for working or studying. You may even want to incorporate other home decor elements like box molding or picture frame molding like we've done on these walls with decorative trim work. There are a few things to keep in mind when choosing decorating elements to style your space. One of the most important is choosing home decor pieces that will help create a cozy and comfortable atmosphere. In this space, it includes things like plush rugs, soft throw pillows, blankets, and decor items that are meaningful to you. We've always loved the look of these pillow covers, and they've typically been very expensive, but we actually have them linked down below. We found them on an Etsy shop, and we were able to spend just $50 and purchase 5 pillow covers. Placing a small side table next to this leather club chair not only adds a place for a little decor, but it's also a great place to set a drink. And let's talk about this leather chair. It doesn't look super comfy, but oh my heavens, the leather is so soft and it actually is super comfy to sit in. It's the perfect reading chair for this library. We also like to style with some unexpected items, And one of the pieces we added to these bookshelves was this cool conductor's hat that was my great-grandpa's. He was a band teacher at a local high school, and it's just kind of fun to bring these sentimental pieces in and have them out to remind you of those you love. In addition, when adding artwork to your space, include pieces that are going to be meaningful to you. My parents chose to incorporate these beautiful pieces of photography that my brother took, and not only that, they were taken on a vacation when they were together. One of the key elements in designing any room is lighting, but when creating a dark and moody home office, it's important to consider how the light will affect the space. This includes things like task lighting for focused work or ambient lighting for creating a relaxed environment. In our room, we added the beautiful brushed brass wall sconces, which are like a beautiful piece of jewelry to the space. We also added library lights on the bookshelves. They not only add to the ambiance, but add lighting in the shelves. And a floor lamp is placed next to the club chair for task lighting. And the overall lighting in this space is can lights to provide ample lighting for working. And finally, we feel that no room is complete without some sort of greenery. They just help add that coziness to any room. And after we installed our wall sconces, we realized the DIY faux tree we made wasn't going to work because it was too big. So we'll have to save that for another spot in the home. You can create the perfect home office library in your own home by using these simple tips and design ideas. If you missed any of the previous episodes in this Dark and Moody Home Office series, you can find the links in the description or tap the link above. Please subscribe to our channel for new DIY home decor and renovation ideas each week. And thanks so much for watching and allowing us to bring your home to the sunny side of the street.